guys, I got a real special treat today. This is from Adams Polishes. I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open. I apologize for the shakiness of the video. My gimbal is dead. Get that nice close-up view. You're watching this in 3D. A lot harder to do with one hand than you think. So Adams Polishes had, I opened it upside down. Well, there's that. They had a limited edition for one day. Limited edition. Water by Adams Polishes. Hydrating H2O. Oh, here we go. It's got instructions. With Adams H2O bottle firmly in hand, turn nozzles to spray. Spray water as desired to stay wet and keep your car hydrated. When done spraying Adams H2O, safely store bottle so that you do not lose any of this amazing water. Repeat steps 1 through 3 as necessary when you are feeling dry. Common sense warning, April Fools. We hope you enjoy this fun product. No, really, it's just water. That's hilarious. And they actually gave you like the spray nozzles and everything with it. That's hilarious. Actually, there's nothing else in here. Just packaging. Yeah, just packaging. But I thought that was hilarious that they did that. It was on sale. It was $249.99. I got them for $5 a piece. So I wonder if they put the seal on the top. I can be able to get it open. Oh, they did. They sealed the top. That's hilarious. I know they started doing that. That is too funny. Well, anyways, guys, this was it. Just wanted to share this with you. I thought this was hilarious. Also, I'm going to be working on my car today, so I'm going to go do some of that. Maybe share some of that with you guys later. All right, guys, so we kind of have a project going on here. I did use my Adams water, as you can see. It is absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, you guys can't get this product anymore. It was only available April 1st. I'm sorry for the plane, but you can't get this product anymore. It was only available April 1st. I do have 2 bottles, but I did use about half of this bottle. It does work very well. Does everything it says it's going to. Cleaned up my wheels. Obviously, I got all my wheel cleaning stuff here. But yeah, I'll show you guys how this works. So you get the Adams product, right? The hydrating H2O. Boom. I mean, it works exactly how it says it's supposed to. The car is hydrated. Like, you couldn't ask for a better product, I don't think. So kudos to Adams for coming out with that. Thank you guys. All jokes aside, I did get new rings. That's what I'm going to call them. I know they're not rings, but that's what I'm going to call them. So I did get these. I replaced all of these except for this one. I still have it in the package, but I took the stock one off because they're chipping really bad. And as you can see, I got my my strut bar that I painted red. Painted this red. Currently working on the cap as well over here. So I got the cap painted red, and I also have the stock ring painted red. I'm just going to see how it looks. I'm probably not going to keep it on there. I'll probably just pop the black one back on. And I did clean up the engine bay a little bit, so it's kind of clean. Got a couple of car meets going on tonight. But yeah, so I did get this painted. It was originally white, and I did try to put a slow SUV sticker on it, but it peeled all the paint off when I tried to take the sticker off, so I'm just gonna paint back over it in red. So I cleaned up the car yesterday. Sorry I didn't take more footage. I did go to a meet last night. There was a couple hundred cars there. Didn't really get footage of that either because I was too busy trying not to get hit by Mustangs. But I did want to show you guys what I got done. I know I took a video of my strut bar that I just got, and I painted it red. It was white. I ended up painting it red, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like real quick. that's what we got the engine bay looking like right now. Just clean, you know, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. A bunch of water spraying all over the place, that's fine. But I did something else too. Whoa, one red piece in the grill. So that's what we got. That's what we're looking at right now. Pretty clean. And I have the black piece for this in the car, so if I ever want to pop it out, I can just literally pop it out with the black one. But I figured to give it a little bit of character for now. And I did, if any of you have been watching any of my recent videos, there was one on there that had a couple of GTRs from last week or 2 weeks ago. And one of the dudes actually owns a shop, the green GTR making 1,300 horsepower. The dude owns a shop. And he just contacted me today because I think he has like a 2016 Jeep SRT that he's got headers and stuff on it. And he gave me a really good price to put headers on it compared to what everybody else has been charging me. It's like $500 or $600 cheaper. It's a legit shop. He builds GTRs, Evos, like works on a bunch of stuff. So hopefully in a couple weeks I can take it there, get the headers put on. I still need to get some 650cc injectors and a wideband and some other stuff so I can get the car tuned. So hopefully hours at work will be picking up this week and get a little bit of extra cash flow so I get all that stuff taken care of. Because if I get all that stuff taken care of and then get the headers put on, I don't even need to put it on a dyno. Because if I get a wideband, my tuner out of Texas said that he can just tune it. All I gotta do is send him some information from my laptop, do a couple polls, record it, send it to him. He'll tune it, send it back, and I won't even need to touch a dyno. The only reason I would need to go on a dyno is if I want numbers, which if there's any shops doing dyno day or something, I might just do that. But yep, I did clean the wheels yesterday, and now they're all dirty because it rained. So, but yeah, that's what we got going on so far. I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I was doing yesterday. I know I took some footage. I can't remember if I had shown it installed or if I was literally painting it in the grass over here on a piece of cardboard. I can remember I showed what it looked like installed, but that's what the car looks like now. That's what we're dealing with. Just some small little cosmetic stuff. I do plan on going to a bunch more meets and car shows and stuff this year, so I should be getting a lot more footage. I'm sorry I didn't grab anything last night, but it was kind of crazy where we were. There was, I mean, you had cars leaving and coming back in and leaving and coming back in. There was probably, I would say, 300 or 400 cars total yesterday where we were at. So I wasn't really, and it was dark out, so I didn't really want to record a dark parking lot with a couple lights here and there. So anyway, I know there's another one coming up this Saturday from an organization called Stance Down Low. And if any of you guys are in the Chicagoland area, definitely recommend checking it out. It's going to be at Nella's Beef, and I think it's Elgin or South Elgin off of McLean. But definitely come check it out. If not, look out for the video because I should be getting some footage while I'm there, because there should be a lot more cars there this coming weekend than there was last weekend. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll catch you next time.